một hai ba. We are Slave. Hi. So now we're in Đại Nam tourist area, and we gotta practice some subjects like physics, science, English, history, and other subjects. And let's get started. Hello teachers from Tam Phu High School. We are Slay with 10 students from class 11 and 1. Through the extracurricular study tour on March 20th, we had an opportunity to visit Đại Nam tourist area and learn more about Tam Giác Sắc tunnels with experiences not to be missed. What more interesting and exciting is being able to apply the knowledge you learned into practice to have the opportunity to expand your knowledge.
We all know that math is one of the most important subjects. It also brings a lot of knowledge that can be applied in life, one of which is using logarithmic formula to calculate pH. And today, we choose to measure the pH of the plant growing solution at Đại Nam tourist area. First, students will take samples to grow hydroponic plants in a greenhouse. When dipping purple litmus paper into the growing solution, we can see the purple litmus paper gradually turning dark green. According to the pH color chart on the screen, we see that the pH of the solution is 8. In addition to measuring in a plant growing solution, pH is also used in many applications in life, such as testing drinking water, check food quality, aquaculture, and hydroponics. Through the process of studying physics, and in order to be able to apply the knowledge and formulas of harmonic oscillations into practice, we work together to practice and calculate the factors related to a lesson. First, to make a simple pendulum, we will use a 1 meter long string and tie a heavy object to it. Coming to the experimental step, firstly, we hold the middle of the rope, which is the position of balance. Then gently pull the heavy object so that the rope deviates from the equilibrium position at any angle and then release it. Next, we will count the number of cycles by pressing the clock. And we will see that we count 9 cycles in 18.5 seconds. From there we have period equal 18.5 divided by 9 equals 2.05 seconds. Next, we will calculate the free fall acceleration at Đại Nam tourist area using this formula. Thereby, we will calculate the speed g with value equals 2.3 meter per second squared.
Gold is a chemical element that has symbol Au and atomic number 79. This is a resin metal with very good ductility, electrical and thermal conductivity. Besides, gold is not affected by external environmental factors such as air, temperature, humidity, and is not exposed to oxygen, chemicals, and substances that can cause corrosion. In the Đại Nam tourist area, there is a gold-related structure called Kim Dinh. This is a sculpted temple dedicated to Buddha and influential figures in Vietnamese beliefs, such as Lạc Long Quân and Âu Cơ. The gold plating method is applied to the temple to extend its structure and majestic beauty. Not only that, but also because gold is a malleable metal, not affected by external factors, contribute to the temple's long-term sustainable existence.
During this extracurricular study tour, Tam Giác Sắc Tunnels is a place that left a deep impression on us. This place used to be the base of Bến Cát district. Tam Giác Sắc Tunnels are located in 3 communes southwest of Bến Cát town, including An Điền, An Tây, and Phú An. So this place is also called Southwest Bến Cát Tunnels. During the 2 resistance wars against the US and against the French, Tam Giác Sắc tunnels were used as a place to hide and store weapons and resources. It is a relatively safe area, difficult for the enemy to access. and is one of the important locations of resistance movement, helping the Vietnamese people have a strategic advantage in their resistance against the enemy, contributed greatly to the resistance war against French colonialism and American imperialism in South Vietnam. It provides an important foundation for the Vietnamese army and people to organize and deploy military activities. In recent times, a lot of funds have been invested to conserve, preserve, and develop it into a tourist destination. From investment in restoration, this place has formed a tourist attraction center, large relic complex including monument, statue of heroic Vietnamese martyr, statue of guerrillas, statue of living and fighting. In addition, in this relic area, there are also construction items such as memorial house, administrative house, steel house, ceremony yard, exhibition house, green area, and flower garden.
Besides, when coming to the Tam Yat, it is not difficult for us to see a flower-coated peony with its bright orange-pink color and gentle fragrance. In Asian culture, peonies are often considered a symbol of beauty and refinement. The peony can be understood as a symbol of the nobility of thought and tenacity of the soldiers who sacrifice their lives for the country. In addition, we can also admire bougainvillea with its delicate and gentle beauty. In the Tam Yat, bougainvillea can also show a resilience when it retains its shape and color even though it is still very fragile. Along with that, trees such as sea trees and apricot blossom trees are also favored to be planted with many use to have provide shade and bring a feeling of peace and tranquility. Next, everyone, let's follow Phương Nguyễn footsteps and explore a clean vegetable garden in Đại Nam tourist area. The aquatic garden in Đại Nam is a great destination for nature and ornamental plant lovers. In this garden, you will see many types of plants and water plants grow such as perilla, watergrass, spinach, and water plants. From here, you can also understand more about how to grow vegetables, grow trees, and understand why this or that tree is planted in that area, and all of which have their own reason for each type of tree. Along with that, help us have a broader view and understand more about vegetables and how to grow them.
Closing the research and applying the knowledge learned into practice. This must have been an extremely successful and memorable trip. Success here is that we have been able to experiment and experience practical activities, bringing with us the knowledge we have learned but have not yet tried. In this trip, we have the opportunity to open our eyes and understand more deeply the knowledge we have learned at school.
Thanks for watching this